Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we'll explore the scope of UAE corporate tax law, its implications for companies or corporations and natural persons. Let's dive straight into it. What is corporate tax? Corporate tax in the UAE is applicable to the taxable income of juridical persons, business entities with a separate legal personality, and the business income of natural persons, individuals running a business. Here's how the corporate tax rates are structured. There will be 0% tax on taxable income up to AED 375,000. There will be 9% tax on taxable income above AED 375,000. There will be 0% tax for qualifying free zone persons, subject to specific conditions outlined in the law. Since the term juridical persons is frequently mentioned, it's essential to clarify what it means. Juridical persons include limited liability companies, joint stock companies, permanent establishments of foreign companies, other businesses with a separate legal personality. These entities are subject to corporate tax on their total taxable income after adjustments as per the law. What about natural persons? Natural persons are subject to corporate tax only on their business income, and only when the annual turnover of their business exceeds AED 1 million in a calendar year. Income from the following activities, however, is not subject to corporate tax: personal investments, real estate activities not requiring a license, employment income. Let's say a natural person has a business with an annual turnover of AED 900,000. and net income of AED 500,000. Since the business turnover is below the AED 1 million threshold, he is not required to pay corporate tax or register. When does corporate tax become applicable? Once a natural person's business turnover exceeds AED 1 million in a calendar year, they must register with the Federal Tax Authority, FTA, for corporate tax. After registration, corporate tax will apply permanently in the future, regardless of whether their turnover drops below AED 1 million in subsequent years. The only way to stop being subject to corporate tax is to close the business. By understanding these foundational concepts, you can better navigate the UAE's corporate tax system, whether you're an individual or a business owner. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into UAE taxation.